Hi guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to copy a profile link in Threads. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's dive right in. So first what we're going to do is to open our Threads application on our mobile device. Click on the profile icon in the lower right hand corner of your Threads application. So after you actually click on your profile icon right here, you will be routed to your profile page. Now here you can see a share profile button. Click on it, and after you have clicked on it, you will see this option right here showing up. You can simply click on the copy link, but basically if you try to open it up again, you can send it to other like applications like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and whatnot, and send it to the person you would want to share your link with. Now, say for instance, I have already copied the link. I'm going to show you whether we have successfully copied our profile link and check it out on an open browser. And there you have it. We have successfully copied our profile link. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this tutorial helpful. See you in the next one. Bye.